Have you ever pondered on the challenges that content creators face in monetizing their content? Imagine spending hours creating content, only to realize that the platforms you're using place requirements that feel like mountains to climb before you can start earning. It can be a tough world out there for creators, but not anymore. Welcome to the era of Benable, the one-stop solution to your monetization woes. No longer do you have to jump through hoops to start earning from your content. With Benable, the power is in your hands. Benable is a unique platform that brings a breath of fresh air to the world of content monetization. Unlike other platforms, Benable doesn't have a laundry list of requirements. All you need is an invitation to sign up and you're good to go. So, if you've been waiting for that golden ticket, here it is. Use the code 8JXE2 to sign up and step into a world of opportunities. Here's the best part about Benable. It's not just for the elites or the big names, it's for ordinary folks, people like you and me who have a passion and want to share it with the world. And yes, they're making money out of it. But how does Benable work, you ask? It's simple. Once you're in, all you need to do is recommend products of your choice to anyone, anywhere in the world. That's right, Benable is a global platform. It doesn't matter where you or your audience are located. You can still earn. So, what are you waiting for? Your journey towards financial freedom awaits. Sign up for Benable today, start recommending, and watch your earnings grow. Remember, use the code 8JXE2 to sign up. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. There's more where this came from, and you surely don't want to miss out. As we wrap up, remember one thing. With Benable, you're not just a creator. You're a trendsetter, an influencer, and most importantly, an earner. So go on, take the leap and embrace the Benable revolution. In the world of Benable, the sky is truly the limit. So gear up and get ready to soar.